In this video, we are going to discuss canonical form, which is also known as standard SOP and POS forms. SOP and POS are called as sum of products and product of sums. So before going to see this sum of products and product of sums, we will see about Boolean function, which we have discussed in previous class. So Boolean function is nothing but representation of an expression which consists of binary variables with and or operators with parenthesis and an equal sign. Let's consider a Boolean function f1. f1 is equals to x, y, z bar plus x, y bar z. So this function consists of three variables. So a Boolean function can be of two variables or a three variable or a four variable. So here I am taking a three variable. So it consists of total number of literals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a literal is nothing but each occurrence of a variable either in a complemented or uncomplemented form, which we have seen in the previous class. It consists of two terms. The first term consists of three literals with product form and second term consists of three literals with product form. So total it consists of 6 literals. So this Boolean function is in the form of two product terms which are summed. So it is in the form of sum of products, SOP. So let us take another example of a Boolean function f2. X plus y into x plus y plus z bar into x plus y bar plus z. So this function consists of total 3 terms. So these are known as sum terms. These sum terms are multiplied or these sum terms are producted. So which is in the form of product of sum. So in a Boolean function, the literals can be arranged in sum of products or product of sums. In sum of product form, each function consists of two or more product terms which are ORed together, nothing but summed together. So let us take a function f of ABC is equals to ABC plus AB bar C bar. It is a Boolean function in the form of sum of products. And let us take another example, f of P Q R S is equals to P bar Q plus QR plus RS. So it consists of three product terms which are ORed together. This sum of product form is also known as disjunctive normal form, disjunctive normal form or disjunctive normal formula or formula. Now let us see product of sum, POS. In product of sum terms are multiplied or ANDed together. That is, a function f of ABC is equals to A plus B into B bar plus C. So it is the sum term and this is the sum term. These are ANDed together. So sum terms ANDed together. Let us take another function. This function is also having three sum terms which consist of two literals. So the sum terms are multiplied. So the product of sum is known as conjunctive normal formula. Till here we have seen what is sum of product and what is sum product of sum. So now we will see canonical form, which is also known as standard SOP and POS form. It is a special case of SOP and POS. So let us take a Boolean function in sum of product. F1 is equals to xy plus xyz bar. So it is a 3 variable function. The first term consists of 2 literals and the second term consists of 3 literals. So a z variable is missing in this. So the canonical form is nothing but including all the variables in each and every terms, or including all the literals in each and every term is known as canonical form. How to include that we will see later. So similarly, standard POS, the function f2 is in the form of product of sum. Here the second term consists of only 2 literals. The variable y is missing. So each and every term should consist of all the literals. It becomes standard POS or known as canonical form. Converting a sum of product to standard sum of product. So that is how we will see. So let us take a function f of ABC is equals to AC plus AB plus BC. So in order to convert a sum of product to standard sum of product, we have 4 steps. That is, first we need to identify the missing literals. So in step 1, find the missing literals. So in the step 2, literal should be ordered with its normal form and its complemented form, and it should be ANDed with the product term. So in step 3, expand the terms by applying distributive law. Reorder the literals in the product terms. And in the step 4, reduce the expression by omitting the repeated terms, because A plus A is equals to A. If terms are repeated, then it is the single one only. So reduce the expression by omitting the repeated terms. So let us solve the above example. F of ABC is equals to AC plus AB plus BC. So it is having 3 product terms, in which in the first one B is missing, and in the second one C is missing, and in the third one A is missing. So we have done the step 1. We have found the missing literals, and in the step 2 we need to do the OR of the missing literals with its complement and the normal, and we need to multiply with the product terms. So that I am doing in the step 2. So step 1 I have done, and in the step 2 I need to AND with the missing literals by taking the normal and its complemented form, plus AB into C plus C bar plus BC into A plus A bar. Step 3, I am expanding ACB So this is function f of ABC. So in the step 3 I need to reorder the literals in the product terms. So ACB is nothing but ABC plus AB bar C plus ABC plus ABC bar plus BCA can be written as ABC plus A bar BC. So this is the step 3. In the step 4, I need to reduce the expression by omitting the repeated terms. So here ABC, ABC, ABC. It is repeated thrice. So I can take as single. And A B bar C is only one time. And A B C bar is only one time. And A bar B C is only one time. So this is repeated 3 times. I am writing it as only one time. So f of ABC is equals to ABC plus A B bar C plus A B C bar plus A bar B C. So in step 4 I have reduced by omitting the repeated terms. So this is the standard SOP, is or nothing but canonical form. So we have converted the normal sum of product equation into the standard sum of product. Similarly, a product of sum can be converted to standard product of sum, that we will see. First we will take an example. F of ABC is equals to A plus B multiplied by B plus C multiplied by A plus C. So it is having 3 sum terms. So to converting to standard POIs also have 4 steps. Step 1, we need to find the missing literals. In step 2, or the each missing literals, its literals and its complement, or each sum term having missing literals with terms formed by adding the literal and its complement. In step 3, expand the terms by applying distributive law and reorder the literals. Expand the terms by applying distributive law and reorder the literals in the sum terms. And in step 4, reduce the expression by omitting the repeated sum terms, because A into A is equals to A. We will see the conversion. F of ABC is equals to A plus B into B plus C into A plus C. In the step 1, we need to find the missing term. So here in this C is missing, in this A is missing, in this B is missing. In this step 2, after finding the missing literals, we need to OR the sum terms with missing literals multiplied with its complement. So that is f of ABC is equals to A plus B. We need to sum the missing literals by taking its normal and its complement form. Next, into B plus C, we need to sum the missed term A into A complement. And next, A plus C plus B into B complement. Step 3, expand and reorder. So from the formula, A plus BC is equals to A plus B and A plus C. So from the formula, A plus B plus C into C bar. So it can be written as A plus B plus C bar into B plus C plus A bar into A plus C plus B bar. So f of a, b, c is equals to, by applying this formula, a plus b plus c into a plus b plus c bar into b plus c plus a into b plus c plus a bar, a plus c plus b into a plus c plus b bar. From this formula we have written like this. These can be reordered as f of a, b, c is equals to step 4, omit the repeated terms. So this is the standard POS. So convert this product of sum to the standard product of sum. So this equation is known as canonical form.